When there was the individuality arising from the infinite field of consciousness, the wave arising from the ocean, developing self-awareness, naturally the question arose, who am I? What am I? What is my purpose here? What is the meaning of this all? And that marked the beginning of yoga, the search of these existential questions, the methodology, the realization, the realized, and the one realizing. All become the part of the great space of yoga. For yoga ultimately begins now, where you are. In the Yoga Sutra, Patanjali says, Ataha Yoga Anushasanam. And now there is yoga. For yoga is eternally relevant in the now. No matter where you are in the linear time and space, the only moment you have ever access to is the now. Time is experienced, passing within a certain nervous system. The only experience you have is in the now. So now is yoga, now is the state of yoga, now is the practice of yoga, and now is the experience of yoga. Irrespective of where you are in the now, within you is yoga. The history of yoga begins with the presence of you. For you are the individuality arising from the infinite field. You are the observer and you are the observed. You are the dancer and you are the dance. You are the experiencer and you are the experience. You are ultimately life living itself. You are the universe experiencing itself back. And yoga is here to support you in this journey, in this realization, in your journey to your own self. The realization is yoga. The one realizing is yoga. The realized is yoga.